So, hello YouTube. It's myself, Drew, my roommate, Matt. So, we wanted to start incorporating into our vlogs a little bit of our real lives outside of robotics because, fun fact, we do more than just robots. Ho ho! You got this. How you feeling? How you feeling after that?
Amazing. If that was a guy, he'd totally get hit in the head with the butt of the knife.
Concussion. Go for it. Okay.
I wasn't. Thank you so much.
But right now, Matt and I are on our way to a local bar that we like going to. We live in Newport, Rhode Island, for any of you people that might be local and know the area or just have been there. A lot of bars here, a lot of fun. We're going to visit some friends to play what I like to call sliding sand puck game, which I think is bocce? Do you?
Bocce.
What is it?
It's freaking, oh my god.
Exactly. It's like the one with the ice, but it's not ice. Curling.
No, it's not that either.
No, but it's, what's the one where you throw the orbs across the ice and then like people have to try to like knock the other person out?
Yeah, I know what it is. I was a champion on a cruise ship of that because they let me be one.
Is that how being a champion works? Just eventually some
Yeah,
sponsors just like, you got it. It's yours.
I was like 15 and they were like 70, so they're like, yeah, just give it a good. Shuffleboard.
Is that what it's called?
That's what it's called.
I don't feel like it's a lot of shuffling. I feel like it's a lot of just throwing the thing.
It's shuffleboard.
There'll be some video footage of it later, for sure. Everyone in the comment section, feel free to insult us and tell us what it actually is, because I can guarantee it's not that, because it doesn't sound right. Pizza. Chips? Wait, hold on. Drink? A whole meal, dude. And a tattoo.
And there's like a taco at the... there's a taco on the ground at the...
Oh, that's another bar over there. That's actually my favorite. They serve the best margaritas, for which one night Matt and I went out drinking. We're like eight.
That's where we went.
We were like 8 drinks deep.
Oh, yeah.
And we get there, right? This place serves margaritas like no other. They're truly amazing. It's called Perro, by the way, like Spanish for dog. And we go in, and Christina, if you're watching, it was her, myself, and Matt that went in. And her and I are talking about getting one drink. You know, it's like 12:30 at night. We're like ramping down because we're like lame and old now. But this guy is like, wait, what are we ordering? And I tell him the options, and he's like, well, which one has the most volume that I can order? And I obviously reply, because I'm slightly drunk, with the truth, which is a pitcher, which is probably about 5 margaritas. And I mean like beer stein full pitchers, not like little dainty margaritas.
I didn't know what a pitcher was. Never ordered it before.
Yeah, so he orders it, right? 3 beer steins later on top of his already 8 or whatever drinks. And we're just chilling there. Now Matt's literally rocking in his chair, spilling his margarita everywhere, singing to songs that aren't playing and having a great time. When we then get ready to have the last drink in the cup, right? And Christina tells me to have it because I'm not, you know, a kindergartner in my booster seat rocking back and forth. And Matt claims it, pours it in his drink, and I demand that he give it back because, you know, I was really thirsty for it. I was craving it. For which Matt's reply was to take the cup and chuck all of its contents onto me in the middle of the bar. Needless to say, we had to leave. We were asked to leave, rather.
We were not asked, but they kind of wanted us to leave.
They came to our table with washcloths and removed everything from the table. Free of charge. What service? We left at that point and went home. The boy. So this is the game internet. It's got some sand, got some slidey puck.
Oh, yeah.
What do you think it's called? Turns out it's called shuffleboard. I hate everything. Yeah. So I want to set this up right. So Christina just put this one here. Matt has to deal with this to get a point. He's about to do what he calls the lunge to win this. We're gonna see what this is. See what the lunge is, bud.
Good work for us. So 6, 7.
They got a +1.
We got a +1.
You gave them a point.
Thank you, Matt.
The lunge.
Yeah. That one cancels out. That's 4.
Well,
That's
how-
4.
Well, you said all I had to do was just get it on the board and cancel out, so they were +2 the whole time.
No, there was because there was 1 in each category per person. And then
you still cancel out.
no, I'm saying before.
These canceled.
yeah.
These canceled. Those.
But what I'm saying is it's 7, 7.
It's still 7.
7 minus 7 equals 0.
You're not good at math.
Jerkwad. Yeah, go ahead, take that vlog back.
I'm not taking the vlog back.
Yeah, it's because you can't figure out how to put it in stupid face mode where it's looking at your dumb face.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, moment of truth. I've now added code so that if the photo resistor shown gets a laser on it,
yellow light turns on, and if you break that circuit either by physically putting something in front of it or taking the light away, it'll turn off. So if you see, there it's on. Now if I break it, oh sorry, the wire's loose. And my hand's unsteady. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. I'm a winner.